Namaste students, I am Srimati Anupama Rao from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Let us start with the lesson, The Naughty Onion. What do you mean by onion? Onion is a vegetable which means eerulli. From this vegetable, what does your mother prepare, children? Pakodas. Do you like pakodas? Yes. Okay. Now, what do you mean by the word naughty? It means causing trouble or disobedient. Means tuntatanada athava tuntata maduva. Thus, the naughty onion means tuntata maduva eerulli. Children, the lesson is very interesting. I will read the lesson now and you have to listen to me with your book open, moving your finger on those words that I read. Before starting to read the lesson, I wanted you to learn how to pronounce the word O-N-I-O-N. We have to pronounce this word as onion. How should we pronounce, children? Onion. Okay, now we will start to understand the lesson. The Naughty Onion. Gopu went to the market. Students, who did go to the market? Gopu went to the market. He bought a kilo of onions from vegetable seller. What did he bring from the vegetable seller? A kilograms of onions. How were the onions? Some were big, ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ದವು. Some were small, ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದ್ದವು. Some were really tiny. ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳಂತೂ ತೀರಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದ್ದವು. Here, tiny means ಸಣ್ಣ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಅಥವಾ ಪುಟ್ಟ. What were the colors of onions? Some were red. Some onions were red in color. ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದವು. Some were pink. Some onions were pink in color. ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದವು. Some were almost white. ಕೆಲವು ಬಹುತೇಕ ಬಿಳಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದವು. He put them in a large paper packet and kept them in a corner on the floor. What has Raju done after bringing those onions home? He put them in a large or big paper packet and kept them in a corner on the floor. ರಾಜು ಆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮನೆಗೆ ತಂದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕವರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟ. Children, after coming back from market, after shopping, we will be very much tired, right? In the same way, Raju also was very tired. We will read the second paragraph once. Children, please look at the book and go through the sentences. He was very tired, knowing that nobody was at home. He went to the living room, sat on a sofa, switched on the air conditioner and soon asleep. Children, as Raju was very tired and he was knowing that nobody was at home, he went to the living room, sat on a sofa and switched on the air conditioner and immediately fell asleep. There was one pink onion in the packet who was very naughty. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುಂಟ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಟತನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಉಳಿದ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾರಲು ಹೇಳಿತು. He told the other onions to jump out of the packet. Some went under the cupboard. ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಬೀರುವಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದವು. Some went into a corner. ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಮೂಲೆಗೆ ಹೋದವು. and some hid behind the dustbin. ಹಾಗೂ ಕೆಲವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಕಸದ ಬುಟ್ಟಿಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವು. ಹಿಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು. ಓಹ್, ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಅಬ್ಬಾ, ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದವು. The paper packet was soon empty. There was no onion in the packet. Paper bag ಬೇಗನೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಯಿತು. Children, then it was time for dinner. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಊಟನ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟದ ಸಮಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೋಪು came into the kitchen to cook food. ಗೋಪು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ. When he came into the kitchen to cook food, what did he see? He saw the empty paper packet. The word empty means khali. Gopu cried, "Oh dear, where have all the onions gone?" ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಗೋಪು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ದ? ಖಾಲಿ ಕವರ್. ಆಗ ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದವು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. He looked everywhere, but he couldn't find them. Looked ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಡುಕಿದ. ಹುಡುಕಿದ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋಪು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿವೆಯಾ ಎಂದು ಹುಡುಕಿದ. ಆದರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. Suddenly he heard a soft voice. ಆಗ ಒಂದು ಮೃದುವಾದ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು. ಗೋಪು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮೀ. ಗೋಪು, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕು ಅಂತ ಧ್ವನಿ ಬಂತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆ ಧ್ವನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? From where did the voice come? The voice came from a pot. ಪಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಡಿಕೆ. ಮಡಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಧ್ವನಿ ಬಂತು. He looked inside. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳಗೆ. ಅವನು ಮಡಿಕೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು? ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು. He found a large pink onion sitting inside happily. Happily ಅಂದರೆ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ. ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಯು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಮಡಿಕೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂತಿತ್ತು. Soon he heard other voices from the dustbin, the oven, and all over the kitchen. From where did he hear other voices, children? From the dustbin, the oven, and all over the kitchen. Gopu took a long time collecting all the onions. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಲು ಗೋಪುಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. That day, dinner was very late. ಆ ದಿನ ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಊಟವು ತುಂಬ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಆಯಿತು. It was all because of the naughty onions. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಆಯಿತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ತುಂಟ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಆಯಿತು. It was all because of the naughty onions. Children, your naughtiness should not cause problem for anyone. Children, you should help your family members and friends. You can water plants. You can help your mother organizing your own clothes, books and toys. You can develop good habits like reading storybooks and narrating those stories to your grandparents or parents or to your sisters or brothers. Children, now we shall read keywords of this lesson. Market, floor, asleep, behind, looked. Children, you should not say looked. You have to say this word as looked. Looked. Corner, soft, pot, kitchen, empty. You have to write these keywords in your classwork book and practice thoroughly. Children, we will be continuing the remaining session in the next class. Thank you.